Hi friends, this is Sunshine Annie, hoping everyone's doing well on this December 30th. I have not written in things for today. So this was the end of December, and this is the start of the next week in January. And the way I did it, I put December 31st and went right into January. I put my calendar space on this side. I used a lot of stickers this time. Don't have the energy to draw. I had started to draw. It didn't look good to me, so I ended up kind of doing a shadow for the bottle that I found. I actually had all these stickers in my stash, and you know what? It's time to use them. You can't see very well, but there are snowflakes. They are blue. Some of them are more of the teal color. And I wasn't thinking when I colored the colors that I was going to put in here. I did some champagne glasses that came with this kit. These were some drink kits that I had, sticker kits. Let's see, what else? Yes, we had dog training during the holiday, so it was on Wednesday. Christmas Eve, we had a party with my family, my sister and those guys. And then it was nice that on the 26th, things just seemed to not be so crazy. It was calm. We ended up finding out my youngest son and his girlfriend got accepted into a new apartment complex. So they're going to be moving. Not this weekend, but the following week. And today we had to do some errands in town. We stopped at a pet store. Actually, it's a local pet store called Loyal Biscuit, because our puppy is growing so fast that we needed a new leash and harness. And the first one we got wasn't an expensive one because we knew she was growing. We just needed one for, you know, getting her outside and trained. And we are having a gathering tomorrow with my kids. We're not going to stay up till midnight and do all that, but we're going to just have a get together and have some food and some fun, maybe some games. Oh, our menu today, we did chicken and black bean. That's our favorite thing to do in the air fryer. I did do my normal Saturday morning cleaning. Yeah, that's part of the errands. We had to pick up a car that we were getting tire changeover on. Okay, so that is what this one ended up looking like for the end of December, and this is the beginning of January. I was trying to use bright colors that I don't normally use. New Year's Eve is Sunday night. Monday is New Year's Day, and we are doing we're going to do homemade pizza, and we're actually going to do some chili and just, you know, party food for our menu. New Year's Day is just going to be some leftovers, but my husband wants to have mac and cheese so he can have leftovers. Other than our early release for appointments, on Tuesday I have a doctor's appointment. This is how this is going to kind of lay right now. For my goals, as always, I want to be more active and drink lots of water, make good choices, healthy choices. And then for my mindset, I'm going to be starting an online art activity group called Wanderlust. I want to work on daily art activities because that daily art activities really helps my frame of mind. So sometimes, you know, I can get a little depressed this time of year. With it being dark, you know, I always want to do things that help my mindset and just bring myself joy. So hopefully this also might help somebody else who needs to improve their mood this time of year. So this is what it's looking like. This is the January calendar page. I will, of course, have more stuff written in here. And this is my this week page. And yeah, that's where I'm at right now, starting off for January 2024. I hope you guys all have wonderful New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, and that you are able to set intentions that make you happy and fulfilled for this year. Wishing you all the best. Bright blessings to you all. Thank you.